Yeah, buddy. Woo! Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're working on this horn. Sorry, brain flatlined. It's a Jubilee horn built out of Omaha, Nebraska. It's got a tag on it. Hold on. So let me zoom you on here. Get out of the way, red wire. There it is. Jubilee horn, number 99. So basically what's happened is, this horn works. This thing works, these things work, but they're caked full of rust because I guess whoever had them before ran them under a vehicle and the dirt and rust came through here. And on the back side, I'll have to take these nuts off, and on the back side of this, which would be the front side, it's just caked full of rust, and I'll show you. I just fixed this one, and you can see this is the junk that came out. It's just old stuff that gets caked up in there. So let's go ahead and take this other side apart. Take it apart and do it to it. Alright, so I've got all the bolts off. I've got my little screwdriver. Let's pop the seal, see what's going on. Yep, just as I suspected, full of rust. Alright, so we got our wire mess hooked up here and got that bolted on securely. Alright, here we go. You see it? It's a cold, cold yellow jacket.